SEO, or search engine optimization, is one of the key areas that a business should be focusing on with their online marketing to ensure that their business is found when customers are searching online. In a simple sense, SEO is the process of showing the search engines that your business is the most trusted, authoritative expert on the service that the searcher is looking for. All of the work that is ever completed for an SEO strategy is ultimately after this end result. An easy way to remember this is the acronym EAT, or EAT, which stands for expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. SEO is important and valuable for businesses because it helps Google and other search engines produce the best result for people who are searching for companies like yours. Search engines like to recommend businesses that they trust, and SEO is the process of building that trust. Now, there's a lot to it, but a great place for you to start is to uncover more about the questions that your customers have as they relate to your business. What problems are they facing constantly that they need answers to? Now, once you know that, creating content on your website to share your expertise and point of view is the way to go. It helps tell the search engines, hey, I'm an expert on this topic and have the authority to speak on it. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. Be sure to subscribe to the Scorpion YouTube channel and like our business page to hear more business and marketing tips and tools that can help you work towards your growth goals. We'll talk to you soon.